The southern central city of India, Hyderabad is known for its rich heritage, culture and history. Welcome to Hyderabad Metro Rail, world's largest project built on public-private partnership. Elevated Hyderabad Metro project is more energy efficient than an underground system. Each metro station has multiple approaches into the concourse. Hyderabad metro stations have many facilities, multiple ways to purchase tickets, secure entry points into paid area of the concourse, security standards of an international repute, baggage screening, public information display system, public address system. Hyderabad metro train operators are highly skilled and rigorously trained by experienced trainers. The train operator picks up the keys and a radio set before boarding the train. Spread over 2 lakh square feet, the Ameerpet Interchange Metro Station is one of the largest metro stations in the country. Parade Ground Station has the highest elevation in the country. Metro stations are powered by solar panels. A special method called Bridge Builder was used for the first time for rail-over bridge at Begumpet. Hyderabad Metro is one of the best transit-oriented development projects apt for business opportunities in retailing and advertising. It is the largest single urban development project in India. Welcome to the Operations Control Center. The best practices here are benchmarked to the international best. Engineers at Operation Control Center monitor all activities. Train operators are trained using state-of-the-art tools and techniques. Simulation methodology is used for experiential learning. Maintenance shed has an inspection line which is used for inspecting the train regularly as per the schedule. Workshop is equipped with diesel shunter and rescue vehicle. Diesel shunter is used for hauling trains to these lines. By means of the CBTC technology, the exact train position is known more accurately than with traditional signaling system. Stabling yard is used for stabling the train during non-service hours. The automatic drive-through wash plant cleans the train exteriors. Receiving substation supplies power to overhead equipment which aids in train movement. The trains use regenerative electrical braking, converting the momentum into electrical energy. Hyderabad Metro aims to be the cleanest metro, aligning with Swachh Bharat campaign.